India is a large and diverse country. It has so many interesting and amazing places. So, India has a floating post office. It's in Jammu and Kashmir. Also, world's wettest inhabited place, Mawsynram, is in India. Highest cricket ground in the world is also in India. And Thar Desert covers an area of 1,70,000 kilometers square. So this huge desert is also in India. So right from a floating post office to this huge desert, all these different places are in India, because India is a huge country with so many different resources and places. Now let's see where India is located on a globe. So India is located here, that is north of the equator and east of the prime meridian. So let's see the coordinates, that is extent of India. So India lies between 8° north and 37° north latitudes, and 68° east and 97° east longitudes. So this is the extent of India. Now, India being a large country, it has so many different neighbors or neighboring countries. So we have Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So all these countries are our neighbors. So let's see each one of them one by one. So let's start with Pakistan. Now with Pakistan we share a long border. So right from Jammu and Kashmir to Gujarat, this entire border is shared with Pakistan. Now Pakistan is much smaller than India. It is 1/5 of India's size. Now we import a number of things from Pakistan. So right from oil to dry fruits to football which you play with, they come from Pakistan. Apart from them, mango, guava and pineapple are also imported from Pakistan. Now next come to China. Now China is a very huge country. In fact, its size is 3 times India's size. So while India's area is 33 lakh kilometers square, you can imagine how large is China. It's 3 times bigger than India. Now China also exports a number of things to India. So India imports mobiles and laptops from China. So many different types of mobiles and laptops which we use, they come from China. Apart from that, large machinery, medicines and even clothes come from China. Now next is Nepal. Now Nepal is much smaller than India. It is 1/20th of India's size. So it is a small country, but it is one of our very good neighbors. And we share the Himalayas with Nepal. That is, Nepal shares the Himalayas with India, and highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is in Nepal. So the highest mountain peak in the world is in Nepal, that is Mount Everest. Now let's come to Bhutan. Now Bhutan again is a very small country. It is a small kingdom which is 1/100th of India's size, a very small country, and it is located in the Himalayas. Now Bhutan is a small kingdom in the Himalayas, and it is sandwiched between China and India. So on this side you have China and this side you have India. So it is sandwiched between China and India. Next we come to Myanmar. Now Myanmar is 1/5 of India's size, and Myanmar has a huge amount of forest. So Myanmar is covered with forest. So we get a huge amount of wood from Myanmar. So we import timber, ginger and turmeric from Myanmar. Now let's come to Bangladesh. Now Bangladesh is another neighboring country which is very small compared to India. It is 1/30th of India's size. And we get fish, clothes and footwear from Bangladesh. And next comes Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka again is 1/50th of India's size. That is a very small country. And Sri Lanka is separated by a narrow stretch of water called Park Strait. So this narrow stretch of water here is Park Strait. So India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow stretch of water called Park Strait. So you see, this is the entire extent of India, and all these are different neighboring countries of India. So India lies between 8° north and 37° north latitudes and 68° east and 97° east longitudes. And our neighbors are Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.